Oh,
my,
it's
look at this.
beautiful.
That man don't know how to clean nothing.
The customer was very upset at the condition from the previous vendor, the poor job they had done. When we got the rug, this was black. The fringe was completely black. I thought it was damaged. Through this section here was a complete chocolate brown. It was crazy. Brown all the way through. I wasn't sure we could get it out. I am absolutely floored at the job that we did. I can confidently say we are the best at cleaning rugs after seeing what we did to this one. The customer will be thrilled.
Oh my God, Turner,
Oh
I'm
my
shocked.
goodness.
That man never, I just can't believe it.
I can't either.
Oh
Mommy,
my,
it's
look at this.
beautiful.
I can't believe the difference in the cleaning.
just take all this
Oh
in
my
and-
God, I'm shocked.
I am too.
I'm shocked because I was here when he brought it back. It's
Wow.
I'm just
My
amazed on
son.
this. This is what got me.
The fringe looks
Yeah.
like
Fringe
it was
Oh
brand
yes,
my
it
goodness.
does.
Yes.
Wow. This is
Now
gorgeous.
listen, honey,
This
I'm
is-
telling you.
Okay,
great
first
rug.
of all, there was
Oh.
black suit all the way over there. Do you see that? We live in our home, so things were spilt on it. It was more like just a regular rug, even though we knew it was an expensive Oriental rug. So we sent it to get cleaned. I won't mention to who. They promised assured. I pointed out all the defects as I did to you all, and basically just said there's black soup, there's Coke, there's coffee, there were stains. The fringes looked like they were black. That's how dirty they were. And now you bring it to me and it looks like a brand new rug.